Hello, Army Recognition. We are at IDEF exhibition at FNSS booth. Welcome. My name is Cem Altınışık. I am the Corporate Communications Manager for FNSS. FNSS is a Turkish company which designs, manufactures, and supplies armored fighting vehicles, tracked, wheeled, and also unmanned ground vehicles, weapon systems, turrets, also hybrid power pack solutions. So here today, we are showcasing our portfolio at FNSS booth with different kinds of tracked and wheeled armored fighting vehicles. We have different type of vehicles which actually addresses different type of requirements. So, for instance, we have an 8x8, which is the Pars Alpha now. Here we are showcasing here on the left-hand side. And this is the latest generation, actually the new generation armored fighting vehicle configuration, which was also selected by the Turkish Army for the new generation vehicles program, for future program for the 8x8 and 6x6 vehicles. And together with this, we also showcase the Pars Scout configuration here. That is also designed regarding a program that was a special purpose vehicles program for the Turkish Land Forces regarding the reconnaissance vehicle configurations to be designed and delivered in a period of time. So we've been able to showcase the CBRN configuration here. That is also one of those special purpose vehicles from the reconnaissance vehicles program. We also showcase another one. We configured the vehicle as a counter drone configuration. So it's a counter drone vehicle. It has mission equipments and weapon systems which is able to stop and counter the drones which are closing by to a battle group. Another one, the track vehicle here, which is the Kaplan fire support and reconnaissance vehicle, which we are showcasing for the first time in this IDEF. Previously, we've been able to showcase this with a medium tank configuration and delivered those vehicles to Indonesian Army. Now we are using the same platform with a new configuration, which is with the Teber two-man turret with a 30mm gun. 2 ATGM missiles also are available. Together with the ATGMs, we have a 50 caliber machine gun aligned with the main gun and a coaxial 7.62. We coupled these systems together and convert this to a fire support and reconnaissance vehicle. So these are what's new from FNSS at the FNSS booth. But if you are interested, there's another very interesting vehicle which is in the Roketsan booth in Atatürk Airport, which is a counter drone vehicle with a hybrid power pack Kaplan tracked vehicle, and it is also equipped with a directed energy weapon designed by Roketsan. It's the ALKA directed energy weapon system. So that also is a showcase of a great combination with a hybrid vehicle and such system which needs more power. That system is, the ALKA system is already in service with the Turkish Army for a very long time. And now it is coupled with a tracked vehicle, and we will be able to showcase that vehicle together with its new weapon system to the visitors who are visiting the exhibition. So these are what's new from FNSS totally. FNSS has been able to supply different platforms for requirements of the Turkish Army regarding air defense, or it could be a missile carrier or a anti-tank system. We are the supplier of the Roketsan's Korkut and Hisar programs. These are anti-air defense systems which is coupled with FNSS platforms. The vehicle which we deliver for that program is the Korkut's platform, and that platform is fully amphibious regarding the requirements of the Turkish Armed Forces. Together with that, we also provide the Kaplan generation weapon carrier tracked vehicles to Roketsan regarding their laser-guided missile system. So all these vehicles have been designed and configured for the needs of the Turkish Armed Forces, together with the great companies and other great companies in Turkey which are expert in their field. So we can configure the vehicles for these kind of special needs, whether if it's a amphibious vehicle, tracked vehicle, or a wheeled vehicle. So we are so keen to provide all these tailored solutions to the users worldwide as well. As FNSS, we have been participating in this show for many years. So FNSS is already over 35 years old company, and since then FNSS has been able to participate in this show with different systems starting from its beginning. And today we are able to showcase a greater portfolio, which is all the things we have learned throughout that time, and it is also a great privilege to showcase these to the allied and friendly armed forces of Turkey and our armed forces. So thank you so much for visiting FNSS today, and hope we meet at the next show.